la o bereka phapo ya local hana chelete. There's no way ya hore bana ba ka monwa 10,000. What happened? What is the story? Ke hore one of the ladies bana ba phela ba le 2 ha bana dichomi tse ding. Chomi ya bona enngwe ke ngwana hetso o a leng sepetlele as we speak wa thuntshitseng ke Teboho wa moshimane. Bana ba every time he ba ya ba ikela menateng bana ba batlile ba tswa mahaeng o mong ha go habo ke Thembisa ba tennela ko extension 17 bana ba hirile ba tennela ko ba tsena school ke bana ba shapo ba o tshwenye motho ba o tshwana le ngwana mongwe le mongwe at the age of 21 ha bana ke di friend tsa ngwana ko hetso. What happened bana ba every time ba ya monateng ba ikela le Teboho ba tsamaya le ngwana hetso sharp he ba tsamaya ka Saturday they went out ba nahana hore normal are yeng ko small konka a ke itse la itse na ko Mamelodi bana ba tsamaya bana le ngwana hetso they went there moshimane o a bolaileng batho ba o a bolaileng Teboho monisi ke ex boyfriend ya ngwana o mowane moba.
Yeah, nna ke tseba bjang.
So this guy ba ile bana ba sharp ko konka he ba fitla ko small konka ho ba monate ho hasebele problem and then wa hetho o na le bona remember ke braya bona ke dichomi man ba phela bo botle then fine ho monate ho tsubiwa di habli ha ona bothata ke style a o tshwantse ba tsamaye Tebza are mo bona ra man cause banna site 1 Tebo nna 17 bana ba banna 17 ke site 1 from Mahube to 17 ke distance ara man le sawara ke tlo vaya le lena nnang that's why bana ba bantse until kamatsa then small konka he ba tswalla Teboho a tloka out a tsamaya o tsamaya le bona remember ba meetse ke ex boyfriend and then ba itsora ba safe ha ona hore ho ka etsahala anything. Ha re tsebe hore mo tseleng Teboho yena ka motlhalwanyeng ya hae o tsene a bale a tsena ke moya wa bosatane ho fitla kae Teboho on the way a thoma ho ba le jealous ho o moane bana ba o itse hore ba ratana ke bana ba motho obviously he o khotla o mong o la le yena o tlo bolelo rai man why ye wara wa understand then I think o moane o a sendela family member message or ish Teboho o thomile story sela sa hae o ka re Teboho ke mothola wa hore like o na le jealous for ngwana hana le batho fila o ka re okay wa bona o wa hetso ke size nyane 1 o re ya mara pila di boy o ka ro ntloela masepa o ka re o jola le wena why every time le na le yena wa nthalohanya then it happen hore the guy ebe na kwa thomang ho ba violent ko baneng ba pethile ngwana hetso ka 2 bullet ngwana hetso luckily o ipoditse hore o tlhokofetse ngwanola a crawler a tsena ko motseng o mong ha tsena ka mo motseng o that guy ke hesetse a concentrate ile ko ba you get me my point a thuntsha bana bale ola wa hetso ha ipotsa horeng ha mmoni like o ipotsa hore o tlhokofetse or maybe o wetse somewhere ha sa le mo wa itse hore ho ira selo ka speed nyana wa utlwa batho ba babedi shiba maybe le tlhalwanye thoma hore o lebetse ka ngwana hetso hore exe beanong ola yena ho ira hetseng until ka mo motseng o ba bona o wa hetso hore ba and then mothushu o thuntshitswe they take him atsamaya a ya sepetlele bale ba reang ba robetse mola bana ba modimo o ba bolaile so the victim mo guys tloelang mo fa story sa maka the victim di 3 o mong o here bolela Sunday ne le hona ba montshang di bullet 1 o methile mapele a bullet 1 o methile spine but finally ba re ke operation e tsamaile pele. So for now nane kere at least a re khutseng nyana guys as rena re le di family tsa habo di victim re utlwile botlhoko and then ke a bona like every time bana ba modimo ba ke bana ba bantseng pila ba ba ikenelang sekolo ra itse le rena re groovile he o ile Durban o tseya di picture le ka bjala wa botseya Estropese ke mang le mang wa se nyakang ha se rekile o ka no tseya di-picture po so please guys ntshang taba ya gore bana ba ne ba traisa maybe ne e le difebe or ne e le eng bana ba ba tswa ko lapeng la batswadi ba ba ntseng pila bana ba ba fitlhile Mamelodi ne ntse ba ete phelela se bana ba o tsena metse ba ya kwa le kwa le kwa ke bana ba e leng gore ba phela alright so nna ne ke re story ke sona se se iragetseng so now re emetse fela gore wa hetso a be right unfortunately ba re ke mang Debza na tshabile batho ba mo tshwere so please guys a re khutse
Yeah, sister, for correct, ne?
Hi, bazali bami zithi welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. You know what is breaking my heart kuyo yonke le story guys are these two cousins who said they lost their life is that how people don't wanna go with the narrative that labantu baphuza imali yalo bhuti. He spent 10k on alcohol and I've even on my previous video ne I asked myself because umuntu ohlala on an RDP house osebenza on a local pub uyithatha phi 10k yabo uthi umuntu ufuna investigator because I think umuntu one 10k ukuthi angayispenda on alcohol yes umuntu angaba ne 10k but umuntu one 10k to spend it on alcohol I don't think ukuthi umuntu ongazibe asebenza ahlala on an RDP house or asebenza on a local pub. There's no way lesibhamu lesi asiphethe kuthiwa ubulalela abantwana babantu ngaso usithathephi asikho emthethweni. This is so sad guys, this is so sad and the sad part kuyo yonke lento le is the fact that abantu bafuna nje ukuthi kube ngathi labantwana abancane ama-student, these two kids they looked very nice, they were doing and I don't see anything wrong bona mabaye eklabhini because izinto ezenziwa abantu bak-age yabo and what is wrong on having fun guys. They wana nje ukuthi kube ngathi labo girl bokwabogela baphuza imali abafana and even if bebayiphuzile imali lo bhuti lo bangana right ukuthi enze lesenzo senzile phezulu impilo zabo. Ngicela ningi-understandise because I can understand umuntu ona 38 years umfuna nomntana ona 21 ona 22 because allegedly this guy is ex of one of the cousins. Umfunani umuntu ona 38 years umntana ona 21. I mean, like he's like 17 years, more than 10 years older than this girl. Umfundana umntana omncane. Which business do you have with umntana omncane younger than old enough to be your daughter? Because bakhona abantwana umuntu ona 18 onomntwana. Yingakho mambona hamba nentanga zakhe ufile zifu uthandana nentanga zakhe. And that means bekajwayele ukubahlukumeza. Just that they didn't open in case or do obey the protection order. Because if we want to, I don't think the cousin would send a message to one of a family member with nang sikakalile. Kushuthi into bekayijwayele. And today I don't wanna lie. Njengoba bekakhala lapha, those are fake tears. Usheshe wakhala. Those are fake tears. And ukuthi yena akazi waboshwa before, akazi wavula icala before, akusho ukuthi akasi umenzi wezinto ezimbi. And kuyo enye into ebuhlungu kuyo le part, the person who is representing this guy, it's a woman. Cabanga a woman representing a guy who osuse abantu emhlabeni obulala amanye amantombazane. Yeah, understand ukuthi kubuhlungu kanjani? Umfazi orepresenta umundoda ukuthi iphume ejele, indoda ebulala amanye abafazi. Yabo ukuthi into ebuhlungu kanjani? Ama-career vele mina ngwafuni. And I do not blame the lawyer just because umsebenzi wakhe guys. But I pray every day ukuthi angathi makafika lapha akhuluma into engekho. Cabanga nomuntu ucharge ngamanto ayi5. It's murder, attempted murder, but yes, bamsakhe besingekho emthethweni. Yini? Angisakhumbuli. Or ukubaleka, I don't know, but I remember Z5. Oh, this is so sad, guys. This is so sad. And I don't understand ukuthi mangabe ke bekanenkinga ne-girlfriend yakhe. Laba bayithu bangenaphi? I-cousin ingenaphi? I-friend ingenaphi? Because the person on the live i-sister ka-guy lo sesibhedlela. Umdubulelani umntana amantu umphambili lo swine. Umdubulelani umntana amantu umphambili. no lo muntu makabhadle ejele guys, and I'm so proud ngomphakathi wasethembisa wase-Pretoria guys. I am so proud baphume ngobuningi today just to support ifamily. We know ukuthi ifamily mhlambe they couldn't even attend i-court just because they are arranging i-funeral yabantwana. So I am so proud. I am so proud. The love and support they are showing ifamily, I am so proud of them. I do not wanna lie, but that is all for now. Please don't forget to comment down below and like, subscribe and share, hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.